what's going on with the animal farm, what's going to be my strategy, and what's going on with the crypto market as a whole. Let's get into that right now. All right, everybody, welcome to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in crypto, DeFi, and passive income. All right, lots happened this week. You guys all know the animal farm, it's been basically paused. And look, if you look back at some of the videos that I had leading up to this, I kept saying, like, be prepared for anything, right? We have no idea what's really going to happen. Expect the unexpected. And sure enough, that's what we got. But the one thing is that it's nothing to do with drip. It's nothing to do with the protocol of the animal farm or anything like that. It's really about the pancake swap. They're changing from V2 to V3, but that's really what's caused this. And fortunately, we are going to get a chance to open up the piggy bank. Probably going to be on Tuesday. Now, what's unclear to me, and I'm really hoping some of you know, is what's going to happen to the pig pen. Because my understanding, the pigs are on V2, which you cannot produce, the emissions will produce yield on V2 on PancakeSwap. We would have to change it to V3. So, you know, I can't even remember how many pigs I had. I probably should have wrote that down. But I got a little bit, you know, I never opened up the piggy bank. Okay. So I got my stuff here in the pig pen. So what I think I'm probably likely going to do is the moment the piggy bank opens, I'm going to withdraw these from the pig pen and I'm going to stake in the piggy bank. Okay. Now, unless there's an AMA that comes out with Forex and he says something different, you know, then I may keep it in here. But honestly, I'm tired of waiting, like all of us, right? I want to see my pigs do some work for me. And I can't believe I'm talking about pigs and dogs with such a straight face. But yeah, I want to start, seeing some yield, from these guys. So if that means just withdrawing them here, putting them in the piggy bank, and likely I'll probably be right here, this pool, Drip BUSD. So Drip BUSD, remove my pigs from the pig pen, put them in the piggy bank, throw some LP, get some LP going more in here. And that's my strategy. Again, if Forex comes back with some new information on what's going to happen with the pig pen, I may change my mind, but that's it until we get some clarity. Now, look, I think overall, I want to take a quick look at the crypto market as a whole. And so we're gonna go over here to Bitcoin. And I mean, I think it's important. I mean, look, guys, I would love to be a moon boy, but what I'm seeing here, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. Take a look here. I was looking at this earlier. So we draw this low here. This has been kind of the pattern that we've been seeing the last several days. And with today, it's basically, it hit it once, came up again, lower high, right? I mean, this has been kind of down, right? You even draw something like this because this has been kind of the range. Okay. It hit this once, it's hitting it twice. If it cracks through here, we're definitely going to see a pullback. All right. So, I mean, I do think that we could see some more downside here. I mean, I've been saying that for a bit. And again, I'm the biggest like moon boy and wannabe moon boy there is, but I just, from everything I'm looking at with the charting and just the market overall and what's going on in the world and the economy, and you just figure all of that in, and all the leverage that's in the market, I do think we have some rough waters ahead. So I wanted to just start talking about that in some of the videos. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert, just a guy on YouTube who likes talking about crypto. So anyway, we come over to the drip chart and look, this is what I drew the other day. And so we were about right here. And it had just kind of come down to this. I drew this line and I said, I think what we're going to see is something like this. And so far, I mean, it's kind of following that, right? You can go back and look on my videos. I totally forgot. I left this tab open because it's, yeah, anyway, I did draw this too. That's the moonshot, right? But I don't know if we're going to get a moonshot necessarily, right? You know, that this dramatic. I think drip's more of kind of like a slow and steady, but you know, I mean, this is kind of what we're expecting. I'm really happy with the way the price is and the fact that it's holding up with the amount of sell pressure it has from some of the whales that got in early that are, you know, maxing out, they're doing their max payout. This is looking really good. You know, we're getting people in, we're talking about it, you're hearing about it, I'm excited about it, you guys are excited about it. Drip is, I mean, we're looking good. We're looking good, folks. You know, it doesn't need to moon for us to all make a ton of money. Remember that with compounding, the 1% daily compounding, we don't need the token to necessarily moon for us to make serious money. So keep that in mind. And look, guys, the Animal Farm, what's changed? I mean, you know, it's Forex being super meticulous. So that hasn't changed. A delay in a launch, we've seen that hasn't really changed. Nothing in the protocol has been vulnerable, attacked, breached, or anything like that. Everything is fine. This is an outside issue that we're having to adjust to. And better to do it now than once we've launched it and then PancakeSwap moves to V3. I mean, I say just get it out of the way. So anyway, folks, that's my little rant for today. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if you like the content, please hit that like button, subscribe. It goes a long way for me. And then, of course, you guys know my favorites are the comments down below. I love interacting with all of you. I love hearing your opinions. Let me know what you think of my opinions about this. Let me know what you think of Bitcoin, the crypto market as a whole, and where Drip and DeFi fit into all that. All right. All right, guys. I will catch you all on the next one.